Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide your subscriber count in your YouTube account. Now it is very simple. I know it can get a little embarrassing sometimes, even if you just started your YouTube channel or for whatever the reason. So in today's video I'm going to help you with that. Now it is very simple. All you gotta do is click on your icon on the right, tap YouTube Studio, and on the left below you will click Settings. After that you will go to Channel Settings and then tap on Advanced Settings. Then you will scroll down, and as you can see where it says subscriber count, display the number of people subscribed to my channel, you will click on this box, tap save, and as you can see, no one, not even you, can check your subscriber count.